You find an egg? Where's it? Show Daddy your egg.
Is that your Easter egg?
Inside?
Did you find an Easter egg? Look at you standing up.
Here, look. Let's see what's inside. Can Mommy show you what's inside? No, it makes a good sound. That might be funner than the crackers. Here, look. I don't want to take it down. Can Mama show? Yeah, look. Look what's inside. Lily, come here. Ooh, yummy. Can you see if you can take it apart? Look. Oh, Josie's here! You should look at her. Keep filming her while I let Josie in.
Is your friend here?
Hi! Come on in.
It smells awesome in here.
Did you get a haircut? Yeah. So cute. Happy Easter.
You too.
We're filming Lily's reaction to Josie's group. Hi, sweetie. How are ya?
Look at your sandals.
How are ya?
Good.
I miss Lily. Lily, who is that? You see Josie?
Say good morning to Lily.
She was saying it the other day. You gonna tell Lily happy Easter? Josie!
Hi, Joe. Good morning.
Jeremy got a haircut too.
Yeah, we like sweet.
The Rutgers are really like, look at us. We're both in such style.
Alright,